Okay, so let us solve question related to integration today. Okay, so even one question will give you sufficient knowledge if you will be solving step by step of complete integration. So one difficult question makes you to completely revise all the basic concepts also together. Okay, right. So let us see. So we are given integration this one sin square x cos square x dx divided by sin to the power 5x plus cos to the power cube x sin square x plus sin cube x cos square x plus cos to the power 5x whole square completely. So that we will be solving today. Now next step will be so sin square x cos square x dx. Let us leave that numerator part as it is. We will go for denominator part. Denominator part, if we will closely observe, what we will see here, sin to the power 5x is there and sin to the power cube x here it is there. If we will take common, so here it will become sin to the power square x and cos square x. Similarly, here cos to the power cube x we can take common from these two. And what we will get, let us see here. So first I am taking sin to the power cube x as common. So from here sin to the power square x and plus from this part it will become cos square x. Okay, right. Next one, cos to the power cube x I am taking common and here it will become sin square x from here plus cos square x from here. Okay, and this will completely become square. Okay, right. We know the identity sin square x plus cos square x will be equal to 1. So this one will be equal to 1, this one will be equal to 1. Correct? Okay, so now our expression of integration will reduce to here sin cube x plus cos cube x square. It has reduced to this expression. So earlier a big expression was given, and now after performing some of the operations and using identities, we have found that our expression has got reduced to you can say to a smaller expression, to a smaller expression. Earlier it was a very big expression, okay, which was creating some type of fear. So generally in the examination they used to give in this way only, which will create immediate fear by seeing the long expression. But after doing some one or two steps, okay, and by using identities and all, in most of the cases it is found that it can be reduced to a smaller expression where you will start feeling comfortable. Okay, right. Now sin square x cos square x dx divided by, now we want to make it as 10 cube x. If we'll take cos cube x common, so we can write cos cube x, okay, and here it will become so sin cube x by cos cube x plus 1, like this it is there, and it is square. Okay, right. Now further, sin square x cos square x dx divided by, so this cos cube x will take out from this square, so it will become cos to the power 6x, and here inside it will become 1 plus 10 cube. This is 10 cube x square. Okay, right. Now further, this cos square x and this will cancel, so with cos to the power 4x it is cancelling. Okay, right. So sin square x divided by cos square x, it will become 10 square x, and 1 by cos square x is left because it is cos to the power 4x. We have utilized from here only cos square x, so that we can make sin square x divided by cos square x as 10 square x, and 1 by cos square x is left, which is secant square x. So we can write it as secant square x dx. Okay. Further, here it will become 1 plus 10 cube x square. Okay. So we know that 10x is equal to sin x by cos x. Okay. This we have utilized. We have also utilized secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. Okay. And here we utilized the identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay. So these identities we have utilized. Here sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. These are the, okay. Now we have to go for substitution. So integration by substitution method we have to utilize, because here also 10 is there. So we will go for denominator part. So 1 plus 10 cube x, suppose we will assume it as y. Take it as y. 1 plus 10 cube x is equal to y. Then further, if we go for differentiating it, so differentiation of constant is 0. Now this 10 cube x will be differentiated. So once we are going for differentiation, first this 10 cube x we will assume as if it is you can say normal constant x cube or y cube type. Okay. So it is what? It is actually d by dx, d by dx of 10 cube x. Okay. And this is dy. So this one will be giving to us as 310 square x, and again we have to do this differentiation of 10x because it is a function. So it will give us as secant square x dx is equal to dy. Okay, right. So here we can see 10 square x plus secant square x dx is there. Here also 10x square x plus secant square x dx is there. It means 10 square x secant square x dx is equal to dy by 3. This 3 will come here. So we can write very well 1 by 3 here, and then we can write in place of this one dy, and here we will be writing what? Y to the power square. Okay, y to the power square. This one further 1 by 3, and we will be writing y to the power minus 2 dy, which is giving to us as 1 by 3 into y to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay, and this one further we can write, so minus 2 plus 1 it will become y to the power minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1 it is minus 1, so it will become minus 1 by 3 and y, because y to the power minus 1 is there, so it will become minus 1 by 3y. We can further write minus 1 by 3. We will substitute 1 plus 10 cube x, okay, plus c. So this integration has become minus 1 by 3 1 plus 10 cube x plus c. Okay, 1 by 3 1 plus 10 cube x plus c. Okay.